So in case you are facing the problem of cutting edges in an extended monitor, in case you are using TV as your extended monitor, so in this case you can see I'm using TV as my extended desktop from my laptop, but you see the edges around the corner of the screen are cut. You see the taskbar is cut, you see the topmost, this is the taskbar, this is cut. And you can correct this issue with settings of your TV. So you have to go to advanced settings and you have to select the overscan and you have to turn it off. And you can see as I select the overscan as off, my edges are back. I get my edges, the top menu bar, minimize, maximize option, you can see I got. So yes, this is the only setting which you need. I am repeating those settings again. You have to go to advanced video, select overscan and make sure it is off. As soon as I turn it on, you see again the edges are again getting cut, and the top menu minimize maximize button is also getting cut. So this is kind of bad user experience, and there is nothing related to graphics settings, image display settings or your laptop. It is totally your TV settings. You have to turn off the overscan, which is a setting in your TV, or if you are TVing your as extended desktop, that's the setting you need to change. And now you can see I have got my edges back and I can normally work as I work in external monitor. Because of this work from home thing, a lot of people are using their small TVs as extended desktop, and a lot of people like me who were not aware of this issue are facing this problem. You can see again here that edges are cut off. When I maximize any window, the edges are cut off. So I'm again repeating. I'll list down these settings in the video description as well. You just have to go to your TV settings. You can either go via remote, or you have buttons also in the side or the back side of your TV, and there you have to go to the advanced settings. I'm doing it again using the remote control. You have to go to advanced video settings. Irrespective of any brand you have, you can turn off the overscan. You have to go to the TV settings. So as soon as you turn off the settings of overscan, you get your edges back. You can see here I again turned off or turned on the overscan settings, the edges are cut off. The same thing I try to do with the buttons in my TV, where I can go and select the settings. It's kind of difficult, but you get the point. Either via remote or buttons in your TV, you have to turn off the overscan. As soon as you turn off the overscan, you get your edges back. So I was looking at the graphics settings, Microsoft user portal to rectify this issue. I was looking for the driver issue, display settings, graphic settings in my laptop, but the issue is with the TV settings, TV video settings. And this is a common issue when somebody is using TV as their extended desktop. So yes, this is the settings. You have to just use your remote or the buttons. I couldn't do that, but using the remote, go to the settings of your TV, go to the advanced video settings, and make sure you have turned off the overscan. I'm turning it off, and you see I get my edges back. So I have listed down the settings in descriptions as well. You can check it out there and use your TV gladly as your extended desktop.